Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from eToro. First, open the eToro app and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the bottom menu and tap on Crypto. Now, select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. On the next screen, you'll see two options, Send and Receive. Tap on Send. A new screen will appear. Enter the amount of crypto you want to send. Then, enter the wallet address of the person or wallet where you want to transfer your crypto. Carefully review all the details to make sure the wallet address and amount are correct. Finally, tap Send to confirm the transaction. Once it's processed, your crypto will be transferred to the selected wallet. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to transfer crypto from eToro. I hope this video helped you. If you found this tutorial useful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.